What's going on, y'all? This is Brandon Tatum, the CEO of Tatum Report. Thank you for watching another one of our amazing videos here on YouTube. We would love for you to subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications anytime we go live and make a video, and follow us on all the social media platforms. If you're on a social media platform, we're on a social media platform. Tatum Report on any social media platform. Follow us. Links are in the description section. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Catch you on the next video.